family? It is a beautiful day in southern Arkansas. As you can see, I'm squinting. The sun is crazy bright today. Anyway, I've stepped outside, just walking around, enjoying the weather, having some cappuccino before I kick off my day. And we have got an awesome recipe we're going to try for the first time today. Kind of put my own twist on it. So let's head on into the kitchen and we'll get started. So we're going to start with our softened butter and our granulated sugar and brown sugar. Gonna let that mix for just a sec. Okay, gonna add an egg. Add my vanilla. I'm going to stop it and scrape my sides down. I'm going to add my flour. Let that mix for a bit. I'm going to add cocoa, baking soda, and salt. That all creamed together. I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. That all mixed in. I'm going to cut it down to low, and I'm going to add in the chips. I didn't lock my mixer down, so it's got the shakes. Alright. I'll put these in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes probably with my oven. It calls for 11, but mine cooks super fast, so I may go to 9 minutes. And we'll sample them when they get done. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick. This makes a super thick batter and will only yield about 20 cookies. So I'm just going to scoop them out and get them on the pan. Okay, so they're done. I didn't get 20 cookies out. I got 12, but I made ginormous cookies, so. Don't these look delicious? Look at that. So moist. Anyway, Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try it. It is my spin on an inside-out chocolate chip cookie. So, make sure you like and share and subscribe. Catch you later.